Why are you recording? You happy enough?
Yeah.
I hope so.
Well, if it's not, you're rewashing it. Oh.
Give her a chance.
Oh, right, it's different. It's not a proper pushy any button.
No.
That's weird. It felt really weird.
Short.
Work then.
I think we had it on darks before.
Oh, there is no
You
short.
can't. It's on darks.
I suppose we could do, unless we do.
The Express 30.
Hang on. Yeah, just do that. I don't see why not. Too late now, anyway. Oh.
I've over listened to that.
Have you actually?
Yeah, honestly. That's all I listened to today and yesterday up until lunchtime.
Wow,
Yeah.
I'm surprised I've managed to get somebody into it.
Yeah.
Wow, what happened to the lid?
Oh, it's where the bin bag. Oh, it's always not there.
Crap quality.
It's like Steve.
What did Steve do?
I'll tell you later when it's off now.
Uh-oh.
Steve, I hope you're not watching this.
He probably will be.
Yeah, well.
It's got any sense.
What sort of a tumble was that?
Pathetic. What was that? And this is why you don't buy a Miele.
The sloth is not amused.
I never
Is
was.
it maybe high water level?
No, look, mine wasn't.
Oh, John's just saying. Maybe the suspension.
I think it only goes to the drum rim. I think. Me.
That's alright. Oh no. Oh well.
Me like it.
Yeah, actually.
No, I wish mine had that kind of jet.
You also have dry ducting in the way.
Yeah. I can see into this one.
Yeah, true. Actually, the WT1, that's got a smaller sensor. You can actually see
WT1?
it. The W1 wash is right. Have I not shown you it?
I've seen it like a while on a photo a while ago.
Yeah, alright.
It doesn't look much different.
It doesn't, but it's alright.
Yeah, I seem to remember it only had a small dryer thing.
7 and 4 or 8 and 5 or something.
No, I mean the little cap
sensor,
on the door. Yeah.
It's only a small one.
Yeah. Wasn't it over to one side or something?
I wouldn't know.
I can't remember.
It looks sensual, but it's dusty.
Mm. Make as much noise as you can, why not? Alright, yellow shirt's coming up alright. I hope.
What?
Yellow t-shirt looks like it's coming up alright.
This is a Miele.
Anyway, changing the subject. Huh?
Waits for insults to be hurled.
Hmm.
You go on the 7 well then?
Yeah, why not?
those STs, but I can't give you all the entertainment in one go.
Mm. Yeah, to be honest, that would be too much. I know what your stages are like. Good.
Oh, good point. Oh, do I need to feed?
I'm pretty sure it would be. That's if they're all in the same box. Might be separate because it's out.
Why have you stopped training? I think we should scrap it.
It does that.
There it is.
Stupid.
Right.
Wait. What kind of drain was that? It didn't even drain properly. Pathetic.
Maybe it's doing a step cool down.
Could be a cool down.
Right.
No, it's on rinses. Oh, I don't even know anymore.
Oh!
What have you done? What have you done? Only you. I'm pretty sure you wouldn't need to, because I'm fairly sure it is a fairly decent level. Do you know something? Do you know something? I've just had a thought. They've changed this to dark garments / denim, but on my washer dryer there was 2 separate programs. And I can't.
Yours had that massive menu and further programs.
Yeah, but I don't know why they were 2 separate programs. I'll tell you why. All it was, I think, was a spin speed. Denim was 900 and dark was 12, I think. It's a reasonable.
3.
Right. Oh, it's actually going to spin, hopefully. Only thing is, automatic was a bit funny on mine. It was quite fussy with the spinning. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm but oh, it is. Tiny bit. Mine was bad for that. Did you ever see that boil wash I did in it? Yeah, half full of towels.
Right, what we're looking for? Oh, hello. It's got 3 rhythms: A, B, and C.
Yeah.
Intensive, normal, and gentle.
You should have 4. Mine had like 4. It was yeah, mine was normal. Oh, I can't remember. What? It's because Rhythm G's pants, probably. Really? You didn't put any fabric conditioner in this, did you? No. No, I just couldn't remember. No, that's alright. It's not needed. That smells good enough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, because yours has only got like 8 programs.
Yeah. 5 rooms is it on dark garbage?
Mine didn't do that.
And 5 rooms
Mine didn't do that. Highest I could get out of it was... No, 3, I think. Oh, maybe it only does 2 rinses. Oh no, this is the 3rd rinse. I think.
This now.
Huh?
This is the 3rd rinse.
Yeah, I can't remember.
And check it's finished with conditioner.
I can't, it means getting up and going over there.
Fine, knees
Says you.
Excuse me, look at me, I'm flying past.
Yeah. You won't be
I'll
at
shut
6
my
o'clock
legs,
tomorrow
right?
morning.
6 o'clock, I'm getting up. Oh yes, that's an difference. Right,
Use t-shirt.
not t-shirts, a shirt.
Oh,
It's
my
plastic
t-
anyway.
Oh, alright.
Felt like I had an argument there. Oh crap, are you bringing the service back?
Huh?
Are you bringing the service back to mine?
No.
The 308?
I wasn't planning to, I
Right,
kind of
okay.
forgot.
Oh, well. Probably easiest.
Mm.
You forgot the bearing rods and pulley knocking nut
Yeah, I know.
wrench thing. Oh. What is that? What is that? Good answer.
It
Point
is!
taken.
Huh?
Point taken.
Yeah. I want Pilly is built better than this thing.
Depends. Should we
Is.
see?
Huh?
Should we see?
It is. 1, the lid isn't squiffy. 2, the drawer doesn't stick out like that. 3, can't think of a 3rd reason.
1, the door's all metal. 2, the hinge is all metal. 3,
I want Pilly hinges are metal.
3, you get PC updatable programs.
And you get hygiene info for dirty bastards who wash at 30.
Not necessary. Don't need it.
You get warning lights.
So you get that on a Montpellier.
Display. You get Water Plus and a soak option, which you don't get on a Montpellier.
No, but you don't need it
You
necessarily.
have an emergency door release. You have the honeycomb. What's the thing? I just want to show you something.
No. That looks good. Oh right, you meant that light.
Yeah.
I thought you meant my phone light.
No, I can throw some.
Let's try.
There's a massive smear at the top of the door. How's that got there?
You put it there.
Excuse-moi.
Hang on. Okay. Huh?
Case has got in the way.
Does this one have a rattly front panel?
No.
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 I wish mine did. You say that.
Does when you do that. It feels weird. The floor's cold.
It's a good spin at 1200.
I don't think this is 1200, you know?
Really?
I don't think so.
Quite loud for 12 for whatever spin it is. 1,000 maybe. 900.
7,000.
Ow! That's
1400
blinding. Reflecting off the top
I
of the
know,
door.
I saw.
Ow!
It's just made it worse.
Yeah. Could be right.
It's not my machine. I don't even know what I'm doing it.
Yes?
Ow! Oi!
What?
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 Oi! I tried.
I'm fine. Again.
Ooh, there's a fly in it.
Yeah, I know.
That's why.
They're called flies. I think. But this is a bloody long minute.
Blub, 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 blub. I'm turning the light on.
Yeah. Broken! Oh
My patience.
3 minutes. God, this really is a long spin.
This is It's slowing down like my tolerance of people bullshit at work.